Find lucky integer in an array. Given an array integers a lucky integer is an integer that has a frequency in the array equals value. Turn the largest lucky integer in the array. There's no lucky integer, return -1. Okay. So if we have the array 2, 2, 3, 4, the value 2 occurs twice in this array, so the output is 2 because the number is equal to its frequency. In example 2, we have the same thing with 2, but we also have a 3, and 3 occurs 3 times, and 3 is larger than 2 because we need to return the largest lucky integer, so we return 3. But if there is no lucky integer, then we return -1. Okay, so how we solve this? Just get a count. Use a hash map and get the count of all the integers in the array, and then just return. We're gonna run like a loop through it, and then check if the integer is equal to its frequency, and if it is, and then it'll compete for the greatest value, which we'll just keep track of. Return greatest value. Okay, let's do it. Okay, and I is greater than G, right? G. Turn. Okay, let's look at this code. So we have this is the actual hash map. Just count, keeps track of everything. And we have G. So loop through the hash map. So if if the actual value is equal to its frequency, then and also if that value is greater than the previous greatest, then the greatest equal that value and return greatest. This will work. Oven runtime complexity, because looping through count is a hash map that was formed using the input array, and the space-time complexity is also oven because count we create a hash map using the input array as other set.